Hi, so I bought this Vacmaster wall-mounted wet and dry vacuum on Amazon. It's model number VWMB508, and I just thought I'd go over the specification of it with you so you know exactly what you're getting if you do decide to purchase this. So in terms of its functionality and versatility, it's great. There's 14 different attachments that you can get, and it is wet and dry. So you do get one wet filter supplied. And if we open this up quickly, you'll see you also get one dry filter as well supplied. You can buy additional filters on Amazon, so they are readily available. So that's no problem with purchasing additional filters. So in terms of the wet functionality, this has a 5-gallon drum on it, so 5 gallons of liquid that this can hold before you would need to empty it. The power is 5 horsepower, so you would expect this to be a really great suction, and I'll be testing this out later. And I know I have another Vacmaster which is 5 horsepower, and the suction is incredible. It's really effective. So the great thing about this particular vacuum is it's wall mountable. So if you notice on the back of the vacuum here, you have these hooks. So this attaches to your wall, this bracket here, and the vacuum just slots into these slots here, so it makes it really super convenient. And you can actually use this on the wall. You don't need to actually take it off of the wall if the reach of the hose is long enough to get to where you want it, and we'll be discussing the reach in a moment. It's super convenient because you can hang all your accessories on here. They just clip on, so it keeps everything nice and neat and together. So you have all your accessories, all your poles here. So you have these extension poles which can just simply clip onto the side like so, and it just keeps everything neat. The hose wraps around as well. So that's a really great feature of this vacuum. The power cord is 20 feet. That's a 20-foot power cord on there. So if you are taking this off of the wall, you're going to get 20 foot of reach to the vacuum itself. The hoses, you have a 10-foot and an 11-foot hose there, which can be joined together to give you 21 feet of hose. So in total, the reach from the point on the wall, this socket on the wall, to the end of the hose is going to be 41 feet of reach there. And then naturally you have your poles here, which you can extend even further for going up onto ceilings, for example, and those higher to reach places. Another great feature of this vacuum is the fact that it's remote control. So we're talking about that nice long 21-foot reach of the hose. You don't really want to be coming back to the machine to turn it on and off. So Vacmaster have included a remote control switch here that allows you to power on and power off from that position. You can also adjust the vacuum strength using this slider here to reduce the amount of vacuum. Why would you want to do that? Well, I'm going to be using this to pick up leaves in my front yard. They're just small leaves, they're fallen down from a tree, and they're all mixed in with the stones on the floor there. So I don't want to be sucking up the stones, I just want to suck up the leaves. So I will adjust that to ensure that there's just enough vacuum there to pick up the leaves. So that's why this is really useful feature. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You get your user manual there, but really the assembly is super simple. There's really not much to it. Super simple to operate. And just one other thing to remember, that not only is this a vacuum, it also blows as well. So you have a little flap here that lifts up, and you can put your attachment in here, your hose attachment, connect it to here, and it will blow. So those leaves that I have in my front yard, I could decide to just blow them off of the stones and get rid of them that way. So it's super versatile, this vacuum. It's available on Amazon. It's the Vacmaster, it's the wall mount version. It comes in red or blue, and it's model number VWMB508, and it comes highly recommended.